You name it, you aim it, grime is gone. Tackle your toughest home, outdoor, and auto cleaning projects with ease with the Sunjoe SPX4000 electric pressure washer. Featuring exclusive pressure select technology, packed with 1,800 watts of pure cleaning power. The 14.5 amp motor generates up to 2,030 pounds per square inch to demolish every last bit of dirt. Pump up to 1.76 gallons per minute to get really clean, really fast. Remove mildew stains, oil stains, caked on mud, and other stubborn gunk and grime. 5 quick connect tips allow you to go from intense jet to gentle spray to suit the cleaning task. And the onboard 54.1 fluid ounce detergent tank lets you dial in just the right amount of detergent to give your cleaning blast a boost. You name it, you aim it, grime is gone. Featuring Sunjoe's exclusive pressure select technology. The SPX4000 lets you select the perfect pressure to combat dirt and grime. Choose from 2 powerful cleaning options. Low, 1,450 psi for everyday dirt, grease, and grime. And high, 2,030 psi to tackle your toughest cleaning tasks. Other exclusive features include the built-in total stop power saving system, designed to save energy and prolong pump life when the trigger is not engaged. And when the work is all done, simply wind it up and stash it away with the convenient onboard hose holder for faster cleanup and neater storage. You name it, you aim it, grime is gone. For the extreme power and performance you demand, go with Joe, the SPX4000 electric pressure washer from Sunjoe. Get equipped.